Here we are in Sosua. This is Sunday night. This is family night in the Dominican Republic, across the country. These are the streets of Sosua in 2025. We're about to pass up Casa Marina right now. A few people wanted me to do this video showing Sosua during the nighttime. This is it. This is low season in Sosua. Passing up Bailey's here on the right. There's a good crowd at Bailey's. Not much foot traffic once again. Here's the Hard Rock. Pretty slow again tonight. Once again, this is Sunday night. Family day in the Dominican Republic. Few police officers over here. This is what you can expect on Sunday night in Sosua right now. Not a whole lot going on. Still a lot of restaurants open. Police are out here. Here's a group of guys up here. Slow season in the Dominican Republic, Sosua. Also went by the beach today. The beach had a pretty good crowd out there at Sosua Beach. Not many people over there at Roomba's right now. Police is over here to my left. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to do a quick drive through. Show you guys what's going on here in Sosua at night. Slow motion. People still having a good time. Still a lot of good restaurants over here. I'm out of here, guys. Peace.